Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon Fire Stick remote for TV. First, let's get started with the initial setup. Begin by inserting 2 fresh AAA batteries into the back of your remote. Next, plug your Fire TV stick into an open HDMI port on your television. Then, connect the USB power cable from the Fire Stick to its power adapter and plug it into a wall outlet. Finally, switch your TV's input to the correct HDMI channel to see the Fire TV home screen. Now that your Fire Stick is set up, let's explore navigation. The large circular pad on your remote is for moving up, down, left, and right through the interface. Press the center button to select an item. To quickly return to the main screen, simply press the Home button. If you need to go back one step, the Back button is your friend. It's designed for easy and intuitive browsing. One of the most powerful features is voice control. Hold down the microphone button and speak your commands clearly to search for movies, shows, or apps. For media playback, the play/pause button starts and stops your content. You can also quickly skip forward or backward using the fast forward and rewind buttons. Plus, you can conveniently adjust your television's volume directly with the remote's dedicated volume controls. Finally, here are some advanced tips and troubleshooting steps. If you need to pair a new remote, simply hold the Home button for about 10 seconds until it connects. Always ensure your remote has fresh AAA batteries for reliable performance. If you experience issues, check for any physical obstructions blocking the signal. A quick restart, by unplugging your Fire TV stick for 60 seconds, can often resolve minor glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.